Here are the nominees in the advertising category.
You came on a side-by-side ride, but you're funding the program that puts our veterans back into the great outdoors. And the number one reason why were we doing this? Eliminate 22 a day. We lose 22 veterans a day, and it's absolutely unacceptable, okay? So when you see a vet, thank a vet. I don't care if they're disabled or not. You served, you did your time, thank them. Give them a hug, shake their hand, call it good.
Jerry Glubay with Patriot Pines Outdoors, Army vet. You're off the side-by-side ride from the vegetation to Forest Lakes. It's our annual fundraiser. Just good time spent with good people. Patriot Pines helping out the vets. Mainly hunting, but other outdoor activities, and just watching the changing lives by being outdoors, seeing the changes in people's demeanors, vets.
My name is Joey Soto. He served in the Marine Corps for 5 years. He did one combat deployment to Afghanistan, injured, came back, was in a really dark hole, started struggling, came across James at Patriot Pines Outdoors. He took me hunting, me and my son, reconnected me and my son back to the wilderness.
Patriot Pines Outdoors, they help disabled vets and vets get into the outdoors, do some fish and hunt, just gatherings, bike rides like this, and gets everybody together in one setting in the community.
Again, it's not a side-by-side ride, guys. This is what we do. This is the reason we're here. And again, it's making an impact is huge. And I don't want to go off on tangents and do whatever, but again, the number one reason, 22 a day.
Sir.
Unacceptable on any scale. Okay? Any veteran, anytime. My phone is on 24 hours a day.
Congratulations to all of our contestants.
We're just getting started, it's a part of the game. Building anticipation, getting close to the edge. Know you think I see you more than a friend. Better late than never. Now it's all over me. These reflections of you. Who you want me to be. Do I wanna be you? Is it only a dream? Just getting started, it's a part of the game.
The winner of the 2026 AZDroneFest Best in Advertising is Advertising 2026 by John Ott.